everyone! Today we are talking about saline stones, also known as sliding rocks, walking rocks, moving rocks, or rolling stones. This natural phenomenon is where rocks move along tracks in the sand without any known human or animal intervention. Now, this occurs in various locations, but it's most known for Racetrack Playa in the Death Valley National Park in California and Little Bonnie Clear Playa in Nevada. So, desert, right? No one has seen these rocks move in person, but rocks even up to hundreds of pounds have left behind long trails of sand. Interestingly, the rocks even move differently depending on the bottom surface. So rough-bottomed rocks move in straight tracks, while smooth-bottomed rocks do not. This phenomenon has been studied since 1915, but the cause was not declared until 2013. And this was when researchers were finally able to capture the movements using GPS and time-lapse photography, which finally proved shown observations that ice panels freeze in these desert playas and then break up during the hot sunny days. Then light winds are able to propel these ice panels along the desert with the rocks on top of them. So it's not actually the rocks that are moving, it is these ice panels, but from my understanding, the ice panel is like beneath the the sand. So then the rock is what's actually leaving the trail in the sand though, not the ice panels. So again, if you would like to see these trails in person, you can visit the Death Valley in California, or apparently Little Bonnie Clear Playa in Nevada.